Forget Paris. Yes, you heard that right. While Paris is undoubtedly beautiful and iconic, there's another city in France that deserves your attention. Lyon is where it's at. Nestled in the heart of France, Lyon offers a unique blend of charm, history, and modernity that you won't find anywhere else. This city is a hidden gem. Wander through its narrow cobblestone streets and discover quaint little shops, cafes, and hidden alleyways that seem to whisper stories of the past. It has everything you want: history, culture, and amazing food. From its well-preserved historical landmarks to its world-class museums, Lyon is a treasure trove of cultural experiences. Lyon is a feast for the senses. The vibrant markets are brimming with fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and delectable pastries. The aroma of freshly baked bread and the sight of colorful fruits and vegetables will captivate you. Trust me, you'll fall in love. Lyon is often overlooked, but once you visit, you'll wonder why it took you so long to discover this enchanting city. People flock to Paris or the French Riviera, drawn by the allure of their famous attractions and glamorous beaches. But Lyon is a hidden treasure. Its quiet corners and undiscovered spots offer a sense of tranquility and authenticity that is hard to find in more touristy destinations. It's waiting to be discovered. Imagine standing on a hilltop gazing at the breathtaking view of the cityscape at dusk, with the lights twinkling like stars. This city is a true delight. The locals are warm and welcoming, and you'll feel right at home as you explore the city's many attractions. It's a mix of old and new. The juxtaposition of historical buildings and modern structures creates a unique architectural landscape that is both fascinating and beautiful. You'll find Roman ruins next to modern architecture. This blend of the ancient and the contemporary is a testament to Lyon's rich and diverse history. Lyon is a city of contrasts. Each neighborhood has its own distinct character, from the medieval charm of Vieux Lyon to the sleek modern vibe of the Confluence district, and that's what makes it so special. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply someone who loves to explore new places, Lyon has something for everyone. So next time you're planning a trip to France, don't just think of Paris. Give Lyon a chance and you might just find your new favorite city. Lyon is a beautiful city. It's located where two rivers meet. The Rhône and the Saône flow through Lyon. This gives the city a unique charm. Take a stroll along the riverbanks. Admire the colorful buildings. The architecture in Lyon is stunning. You'll see everything from medieval houses to Renaissance palaces. Lyon is also a green city. It has many parks and gardens. The Parc de la Tête d'Or is a must-see. This park is a true oasis. It has a lake, a zoo, and even a botanical garden. Lyon has a rich history that spans over 2 millennia. This city, nestled in the heart of France, is a treasure trove of historical wonders and cultural heritage. It was founded by the Romans in 43 BC, and their influence is still palpable today. You can still see evidence of their presence today in the form of ancient ruins and stone structures that have withstood the test of time. Visit the ancient Roman theaters. They are remarkably well preserved and offer a glimpse into the entertainment and social life of the past. The Vieux Lyon is another must-visit. This area is the old town of Lyon and is brimming with history and charm. This is the old town of Lyon, where cobblestone streets and centuries-old buildings tell stories of a bygone era. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its historical significance and well-preserved architecture. Wander through the narrow streets, admire the medieval architecture that has been meticulously maintained over the years. You'll feel like you've stepped back in time as you explore these historical streets, where every corner has a story to tell. Don't miss the Musée des Beaux-Arts. This museum is a cultural gem in Lyon. This museum houses an impressive collection of art ranging from ancient artifacts to contemporary masterpieces. You'll find works by renowned artists, each piece telling its own unique story and contributing to the rich tapestry of art history. From antiquity to modern times, the Musée des Beaux-Arts offers a journey through the evolution of art and culture. Beyond its historical sites, Lyon is also known for its picturesque rivers, the Rhône and the Saône, which provide a serene backdrop to the city's vibrant life. Don't forget to explore Lyon's famous traboules, hidden passageways that were once used by silk merchants and now offer a unique way to navigate the city. The local markets are a feast for the senses, offering fresh produce, local delicacies, and a chance to experience the daily life of Lyon's residents. As night falls, the city transforms, with illuminated buildings and streets creating a magical atmosphere that is perfect for an evening stroll. And of course, no visit to Lyon would be complete without indulging in its famous cuisine. Known as the gastronomic capital of France, Lyon offers a culinary experience that is second to none. From traditional bouchons to modern eateries, the city's dining scene is diverse and delicious, offering something for every palate. Lyon's historical treasures, cultural richness, and culinary delights make it a city that captivates and enchants every visitor. Come and discover the magic of Lyon for yourself. Lyon is a food lover's paradise. It's known as the gastronomic capital of France, and for good reason. The city is home to countless bouchons. These are traditional Lyonnaise restaurants. Lyon's cuisine is hearty and flavorful. Try the coq au vin. This is a classic French dish. Chicken braised in red wine, it's absolutely delicious. Another must-try is quenelles. These are light and fluffy dumplings. They are often served with a creamy sauce. Don't forget to try the local cheeses. They are some of the best in France. Savoring Lyon, where to find the best bites. Looking for the best bouchons in Lyon? Head to the Vieux Lyon. This neighborhood is home to many traditional restaurants. You're sure to find something to your liking. For a more upscale dining experience, try one of Lyon's Michelin-starred restaurants. The city has several to choose from, each offering a unique culinary journey. Don't forget to visit the Halles de Lyon Paul Bocuse. This is a covered market, and it's a food lover's paradise. You'll find everything from fresh produce to local delicacies. Getting to Lyon without breaking the bank. Getting to Lyon is easy and affordable. There are several options to choose from. You can fly into Lyon Saint-Exupéry Airport. It's located just outside the city. If you're traveling from within Europe, consider taking the train. Lyon is well connected to other major cities. High-speed trains make the journey a breeze. For a more scenic route, take a river cruise. Several companies offer cruises along the Rhône and Saône rivers. It's a unique way to experience the beauty of Lyon. Smart Stays budget-friendly accommodations in Lyon. Lyon offers a range of accommodations from budget-friendly hostels to luxurious hotels. There's something for every traveler. For budget travelers, hostels are a great option. They offer affordable dorm rooms and private rooms. Many hostels also have common areas, which is a great way to meet other travelers. If you prefer a bit more privacy, consider staying in an apartment rental. Many websites offer a wide selection of apartments. You can find something to suit your budget and needs. Section 8. Beyond the Guidebook, Unforgettable Experiences in Lyon. Lyon, a city rich in history and culture, offers a plethora of experiences that go beyond the typical tourist attractions. Lyon is a city that begs to be explored. Its streets are filled with stories waiting to be discovered, and every corner has a unique charm that captivates visitors. Go beyond the typical tourist attractions. While the famous landmarks are a must-see, there's so much more to Lyon than meets the eye. Discover the hidden gems that make this city so special. Wander through the hidden alleyways where quaint shops and cozy cafes await. These lesser-known spots offer a glimpse into the local life and culture. Take a bike tour of the city. It's one of the best ways to explore Lyon's diverse neighborhoods. Pedal through the vibrant local markets where the air is filled with the aroma of fresh produce and regional specialties. Sample the delicious food that Lyon is famous for, from savory sausages to sweet pastries. Get lost in the maze of streets in the Vieux Lyon. This historic district, with its cobblestone streets and Renaissance buildings, feels like stepping back in time. Every turn reveals a new discovery, from hidden courtyards to ancient churches. For a unique perspective, take a boat tour on the Saône River. Glide along the water and enjoy the scenic views of the city. The river offers a peaceful escape from the bustling streets and a chance to see Lyon from a different angle. Admire the city from a different angle. The architecture of Lyon, with its mix of old and new, is truly stunning when viewed from the river. The reflections on the water create a magical atmosphere, especially at sunset. In the evening, enjoy a traditional guignol puppet show. It's a Lyonnaise tradition that dates back to the 19th century. The puppet shows are not only entertaining but also offer a glimpse into the local culture and humor. The lively performances are a hit with both children and adults, making it a perfect way to end your day in Lyon. As night falls, the city transforms. The illuminated buildings and streets create a magical ambiance. Take a leisurely stroll along the riverbanks, or find a cozy spot in one of the many cafes to soak in the night views. Lyon at night is a sight to behold, with its twinkling lights and vibrant nightlife. Don't miss the chance to experience the local music scene. From street performers to live bands and bars, the music of Lyon adds to the city's charm. Let the melodies guide you through the night as you explore the lively streets, and as the sun rises, Lyon wakes up to a new day, ready to offer more unforgettable experiences. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, Lyon always has something new to discover. So pack your bags and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime in this enchanting city. Section 9. Essential tips for your Lyon adventure. Planning a trip to Lyon? Here are a few essential tips to make your trip unforgettable. Learn a few basic French phrases. It will go a long way with the locals. Pack comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Purchase a Lyon City card. It gives you free access to museums and public transportation. Be sure to try the local ice cream. It's some of the best in France. Section 10. Lyon, a tapestry of culture, history, and gastronomy. Lyon is a city that has it all, from its stunning architecture to its world-renowned cuisine. Lyon is a feast for the senses. It's a city that will stay with you long after you've left. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply looking for a charming city to explore, Lyon has something to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Lyon today. Section 11. Ready to explore Lyon? Don't miss out on experiencing the magic of Lyon. Like this video if you're ready to add Lyon to your travel bucket list. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Lyon is waiting to welcome you with open arms. Get ready to fall in love with France's best-kept secret.